Can you guess the animal by missing letter?
First one.
Camel. Next one. Zebra. Next one. Panda. Next one. Donkey. Next one. Leopard. Next one. Reindeer. Next one. Now comment your score out of 10. This one for you.